Ooh, baby, 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 I miss you like crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wish you could love me forevermore. My heart is in pain, feeling so blue. Skies are grey since the day I lost you. Now I'm walking all around, living on Lonely Avenue, building up my bridges, trying to get back to you. Please understand, my feelings were true. Never meant to cheat, I never meant to hurt you. Oh no, 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 my heart belongs to you. But if I could live my life all over again, would you be my lover, or even a friend? Now you know mistakes that I've made. Would you turn and walk away? Wish we could start all over again. Said I gave it everything I got, even went and tied the knot. Now go search the world to find another man that's genuine. If only time we could rewind, baby girl you would be mine, mine, mine.
Now I'm lost in this gallery, haunted by your memories. There's a burning inside, playing on my mind. Wonder if you with another maybe. But if I could live my life all over again, would you be my lover, or even a friend? Just a friend, babe. Now you know mistakes that I've made. Would you turn and walk away? Wish we could start all over again. Baby, forgive me, please, and forget that. Please set that all aside. Life without you is a setback. Please step back in my life. I was a fool, but now I realize how could I lose the best part of my life.
But if I could live my life all